Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook simple chicken breast. First, pat your chicken breasts completely dry with paper towels, a crucial step for achieving a perfect sear. Next, generously season both sides with 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Now, heat a large skillet over medium-high heat, adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil until it shimmers gently. Carefully place your seasoned chicken breasts into the hot skillet, ensuring they do not touch each other. Allow them to sear undisturbed for 5 to 7 minutes, creating a beautiful golden brown crust on the first side. Resist the urge to move them too soon, as this helps build maximum flavor and texture. Flip the chicken breasts once the first side is deeply colored. After flipping, reduce the heat to medium-low and cover the skillet immediately. Let the chicken cook for another 8 to 10 minutes, allowing it to reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a meat thermometer ensures it is perfectly cooked and safe to eat. Once done, remove the chicken from the pan and let it rest on a cutting board for 5 minutes. Finally, slice your perfectly cooked chicken breasts against the grain, which helps maintain their tenderness and juiciness. You can serve them immediately with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or a squeeze of lemon for a bright finish. This simple, flavorful chicken breast is incredibly versatile and makes a fantastic base for countless healthy meals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.